Not only for me, it's everyone requirement.
Okay, and let us understand what is the GL master data, the field control. Okay, so this account group. So the master data fields, we have created a couple of GL accounts like stationary expenses and the bank cash account. What are the accounts? GL accounts. So the GL account fields in the GL master fields, like for example, short text, long text, account currency, sort key, field status group field, all those fields, right? So the fields can be controlled via account groups. So if I go bit practical in the system, you will understand very clearly. So what is your OBD financial accounting, GL accounting, master data, GL accounts and preparations and also account groups. So if you go here under account groups, take our chart of accounts related. So what is the chart of accounts related? TA 98 or company related. So these four account groups we created, right? So under assets, okay, keep your cursor, you select this one and click on field status. So for this range, for this 1000 to 199, for this account group, so we can control the fields, whether you want this field as mandatory, whether this will you want this field as suppress, all those fields are there here. Okay, so similarly like field status group for master data field control also will be controlled by account groups. Account group will control your master data fields. Is that clear? Want to test? So I close this one, come back to the uh, FS00. It's a simple scenario. So assets, double click bank account here. You can click on change mode. We can see all these fields. For example, if you look at here, see GL account type is mandatory field, and what else we have? Okay, we don't have anything. So let us understand this a tax category field. Okay, we'll put it a tax category as mandatory field. I'll put it as a save this one. So no changes. Click on display mode. So I'll come back to the settings, a tax category under this asset related. So I'll put it as suppress. So click on save. So click on save. So what happens? Tax will what happens? Tax will disappear from here, right? So in the disappear in the sense, I mean it will be in the not modifiable mode, not modifiable field. So click on change mode. We have done it, right? Why this is not showing? Assets, control, tax category, suppress. Click on save. Maybe I did not restarted the transaction, maybe. So click here, FS00, assets, click on bank. So control data, click on, ha, see, see, control data, the field, the tax category field has been completely suppressed. I don't see. Where is tax category field? I don't see the field. That's okay. So how that is how it is works in SAP system, suppress field. So let us check another field. So we had seen control task suppress field, right? So required field. Click on save. So come back here. Click on change mode. Again have to come back. So the program parameters has to be updated. So assets. Click on bank. So click on control data. So now it's there. Click on change mode. Okay, keep your cursor on bank, click on change mode. Now automatically task category some asterisk which is mandatory field identification has been updated here. So without entering this field I can't move forward. So we can make it task category as mandatory field from here. Mandatory. Optional is an optional. Display, what happens to display? The field will be there, but it will just show. Okay, cancel it. Come back here, close it, come back to this screen again. So assets, double click here. So control data. So task category is there. Click on change mode. So it's bold, not modifiable fold, not modifiable field. Is that okay? So what's happening is, so suppress means it will completely disappear the field. Required is required field. You have to enter mandatorily. We can't save the GL master until unless you enter this field. Optional, it's up to you. It's a business requirement whether you want to enter the value or not. Display, it will just show the value. It will just show the field name, but we can't enter any value. It's a not modifiable field, not editable field. Is that clear, guys? All four options.
Yes, yes.
So I'll make it to optional. Usually all the fields will be in optional. So that is all about your controlling. Your controlling. I mean, basically your account groups will control the fields of master data. See, this will control fields for GL master data while creating or changing the GL accounts. This is the definition. This, if you understand this, then you understand the scenario. Is that clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So posting key we already gone through. So field status, GL master data fields, and posting key we already discussed. So document type. So what is document type? So document type which is used for different business transactions, right? Document type is for used for different business transactions. Examples: customer invoice, vendor invoice, or payments example. That will be sufficient, right? This is the definition. Now what this functional, it has many parameters. It also control header details for the document posting. So OB7, OBA7. Okay, let us understand position. Since we are learning, we have understood only SA document type till now. So click on SA document type. So SA document type has a number range 01. We already know what is number range. So if you want to post transactions to this document type, we need some number ranges. So for example, for 2025 financial year, I need something 1 to 10,000 number range, because I may post some up to 10,000 documents in this year. So this is something that you have to get the business, you have to get the details from the business. What will be for SA document type, how many documents that you are expecting for this financial year. So as of now I have entered 1 to 100. If this is collapsed, then we can continue with 26 to some other number with a 0 1 only. Fine. So number range is used for posting the documents. If I don't define number range, so system will throw the error if I don't define the number range. As I mentioned earlier, these documents are SAP provided document types. In case if you want to create your own document also, we can create it with new entries. You can try giving some identification and you can some parameters and number range, you can post a document. Okay, so come back to SA document type again. So that is all about your number range. Reversal document type, we'll come back to this one. So in case if you have already posted a document, if you want to reverse this document, then system will update with another document type. Okay, we'll see when we learn reversal scenario. So this document type is applicable for these account types. So we can use for posting for any of these transactions with this document type. Okay, special usage is BI only, batch input only. So yesterday recurring documents we used for batch input, right? We can use this document type batch input only. If I activate this one, I can't do any manual posting. So this will be used only for batch input transactions. Default value, as I already told, if you want to default, you can exchange. We can default any exchange rate type for this document type. Hand. Moreover, this is important. So from the, if you post any transaction, I mean, when you are posting with this document type for the business transaction, so we can restrict required field from here also. Okay, we have set some validations, right? But we can also change it to /o OBBH, right? Your validations, position, company code is what is our company code? TA98. I'm just deactivating this one for time being. I'll show you. Inactivate. Click on save. What was the another one? OB28 /n. I'm just deactivating the or else I think I can remove it out. Okay, we'll see. Okay, so come back to the FB50 transaction /o FB50. So I can make fields required here. Reference field required and document data also field required. So whenever I post any transactions to this document type, system will mandatorily it will ask me to enter the values reference number and document header text. So these fields become required fields. So let us see. So I think we have not set it correctly, right? What we have done last time. What is the field? Text field, right? So text field, let us put it as optional, and also the posting key. So I'm just keeping as it is. Earlier we have done some scenarios, right, for the posting key and field status. So I'm just changing that one. Hmm. So refresh your transaction once. So what is the scenario I'm testing now? Anyone? What is the scenario I'm trying to test now?
In document type, we are making the
Ha.
required fields, reference
Yes.
and the
In
text.
yes, exactly. I'm testing this scenario. So our focus is
Hmm.
to test this scenario. So press enter. So for document type SA and it is recorded. This is coming from the document type configuration here. Since I made it activated here, required field. So the system is expecting reference value here. So enter some value, and we'll see whether system will ask you for the header text also. Yes, it is asking for header text also. Since we have made it active in the document type definition. Okay, understood, right? Press enter. Now
Yes.
this is fine. Now this is all these are coming from the field status. Okay. Now what I'll do, I'll go back here and remove this one because since everyone is using these document types, right? So just removing the required fields. Now I hope this is clear. Document type also. But if you want to create your own document also create, you can create it. No problem. This document splitting functionality, I told you that I will take this concept later stage because people are changing the settings frequently. So we'll take one separate session for this one, document splitting. It's very important, and in the interviews they will ask this question: what is a document splitting and what are the different scenarios? I'll explain you very clearly. But I'm not pretty sure that it will work in our real time. I mean, in the training system, because you know, right? The people are changing the settings. Okay. Now, do you want me to take it now, or you want me to take it in the these scenarios in the next session? What do you say?
Next will be good.
Next will be good, huh? But you want to practice?